Good morning, and thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather brief for Tuesday, July 3rd. We saw an extremely hot day across the region yesterday. Here at Wallops, we saw the heat indexes get near 114 degrees yesterday at their max, and they were above 110 degrees for much of the workday yesterday. So we are not expecting the heat indexes to get quite as high today, but we are still expecting them to be between 100 and 105 degrees at their max as we get towards this afternoon. Taking a look at our surface analysis this morning, we are still seeing some high pressure dominating across the east coast this morning, with some upper level ridging continuing across the area. We do have some weak low pressure depicted on this map, however, it's not really much of a factor. It's going to give us a little bit of some increased cloudiness this morning as we have a weak inverted trough moving across north of the Bahamas, and that's going to continue to give us some abundant low-level moisture across the area, and just some increased cloudiness, and some easterly flow will be increasing throughout the day and into tomorrow, helping to knock down those temperatures just a bit. Taking a look at our satellite and radar loop this morning, just seeing some radar clutter, not expecting any showers once again today. We are seeing some lower level clouds develop across the Wallops region this morning. We do anticipate that to continue throughout the morning hours before skies begin to clear up a bit this afternoon, becoming mostly clear as we go into tonight. We are already seeing those temperatures into the 80s as of 8 a.m. this morning. We do anticipate temperatures to be in the upper 80s as we get towards the afternoon. As of 8 a.m., we're seeing a scattered deck of low clouds near 800 feet, and then some clouds at 4,000 feet, and then a broken cirrus deck at 25,000 feet. Winds were still southeasterly out there, around 5 knots, with a temperature of 82 degrees. Taking a look at our weather chart for today, just going to be looking at a chance of those heat indexes exceeding 100 degrees as we go into this afternoon, with possibly maxing out near 104 degrees during the warmest part of the day, with a high of 89. Winds will be southeasterly throughout the day today, maxing out at 7 to 12 knots this afternoon, and then weakening to 3 to 7 knots overnight before shifting easterly by Wednesday morning. Still expecting another mild low tomorrow morning of 75 degrees, and we are going to be seeing another chance for some patchy fog as we make as we wake up tomorrow morning and into late tonight. Taking a look at our terminal forecast for today, as you can see, we're going to continue to see these lower level clouds throughout the morning hours, near 1,000 feet and near 4,000 feet, with continued cirrus clouds in the upper layers of the atmosphere. And then as we get into this afternoon, those lower level clouds should begin to scour out by this evening, just seeing a few cirrus clouds before we see some patchy low clouds develop after midnight tonight, possibly some patchy fog in areas as well as we get to the pre-dawn hours of Wednesday. For our Independence Day tomorrow, we are going to be looking at partly to mostly cloudy skies at times as we get some onshore flow developing. We will be seeing a little bit of a cooler day with a high of 85. Shouldn't see those heat indexes get as extreme as we have been seeing today and yesterday. And there is going to be a chance of that patchy morning fog burning off by the mid-morning hours. Wednesday night going to be partly cloudy with another chance of some patchy fog with a very mild low of 76. And then on Thursday, we're going to see partly to mostly cloudy skies again. We are going to be seeing that upper level ridge start to break down on Thursday, and with some warm conditions and abundant low level moisture still continuing, we are going to be seeing a chance of some pop-up shower activity across the area. Still only looking right now at about a 50% chance of that happening, but we could see those chances bump up as we go as we refine our forecast later this week. So that'll be something to keep an eye on for our Thursday. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing and extended outlook. Have a great day.